Listening, Unit 1, page 10, E.
There are 6 questions in this part. For each question, there are 3 pictures and a short recording. Circle the correct picture A, B or C. 1. Which girl is her sister?
Here they come now. Is your sister the one with the short hair?
No, my sister's got long, straight hair.
Is she wearing shorts?
Yes, that's her.
2. Who are the neighbours' children? Have you seen the new neighbours yet?
Not to speak to, but I saw them arrive in their car yesterday.
Did you say they've got twin girls, or is it twin boys they've got?
Neither. They've got a boy and a girl.
3. What time will the boy leave?
What time do we need to leave to collect Dad from the station?
Well, his train is arriving at 2:30 and it takes about 40 minutes to drive there, so you should leave at about 1:50.
Oh, I thought we were leaving just after 2. But you're right. We should give ourselves more time to make sure we're not late.
4. Where does Sophie and her family live now?
My cousin Sophie and her family are going to move to London.
Oh, really? I thought they liked Brighton. They seem very happy here. Do they come from London then?
No, they're from Oxford originally.
5. When will they have their picnic?
Do you want to come for a picnic in the park this Saturday?
Oh, I'm sorry, but I'm going to see my grandparents. They live a long way away, and we're travelling up on Friday. We could go on Sunday, though.
OK. I'll ask Mum to get some things at the market on Saturday morning.
That's great. Thanks.
6. What did the boy think of his friend's father?
I'm a bit scared of your father. He looks very serious.
Oh, don't worry. That's just because you haven't met him before.
So he's not always like that?
Not at all. He's actually very friendly and relaxed.
Yeehaw!